Hi, it's Fly Ty and Jacinda for Compare Foods Charlotte TV. COVID vaccinations has already started all across our country and especially right here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Good news, me and Jacinda, we're both on the list, but Jacinda, we have a special guest with us today.
Yes, we are bringing the doctor to you with all of your questions. Dr. David Baker, thank you so much for being here. He's from Novant's Michael Jordan's Family Medical Clinic. So I just want to jump right in. Why should we actually get this vaccination?
Well, Jacinda, I know there's a lot of concern in the community around the vaccine, and there's reason for that. But I'm here to tell you that this particular vaccine is amazing. It's incredible, and it's important to get it to protect yourself, your family, and all of the people in your community.
That's pretty good, Doc. Now, the question that I've been getting asked everywhere I go, how do we know that the vaccination is safe?
Fortunately, we've got millions of people, over 50 million at this point, that have had one dose that can tell you they're doing just fine. It has been studied extensively before being approved, showing effectiveness in preventing the virus and very, very few complications.
Now, okay, when we talk about vaccines, it's like I hear sometimes on the news that there's multiple vaccines. How do you, what are the vaccines that are available and how do you know which one is actually right for you?
Yes, we're blessed to have 3 vaccines available now. The right one for you is whichever one you can get first. All 3 vaccines do a great job at preventing COVID-19. Each one is a little bit different, but they're all safe, they're all effective, and whichever you can get first, you should get.
Jump on it.
Safe and effective, those are the key words. Now, many people have been asking, where do I go? And also, how much does it cost?
I'll take the second question first.
Okay.
It is free.
Free!
Free
I like free.
The vaccine can be found lots of places. There are lots of places to sign up. One of the easiest is to go to getvaccinated.org. That'll let you sign up through Novant, and we can get you an appointment for your vaccine.
Getvaccinated.org. Sign up today. We're signed up, so should you. I'm Fly Ty. Thank you so much, Doctor, for giving us out such great information.
Yes, thank you so much, Dr. David Baker. And a big shout out to Novant Health. Thank you so much for all that you do, and Michael Jordan Family Medical Clinic. Thank you guys for all this useful information that we need and for keeping us safe. It's Fly Ty and Jacinda with Compare Foods TV.